Welcome to the presentation of the Dynamic D5 dental micromotor. Let's open the packaging and see what's inside. Inside, you will find the central unit, handpiece, handpiece stand, power cable, and foot controller. Here is the complete set. Let's connect all the components and check their functionality. In the front part of the central unit, there is a socket for connecting the handpiece and a convenient panel. At the back, there is a socket for connecting the foot controller, a power switch, and a power socket. Upon turning on the device, the numeric display lights up. We have the ability to control the speed of the micromotor using the potentiometer, with a range of up to 50,000 rotations per minute. We also have 3 convenient buttons on the panel. The first one allows us to start and stop the motor of manual control mode. The second one is used to change the direction of the micromotor. The third button allows us to decide whether we want to control the motor activation using the foot controller or manually. Now, let's take a closer look at the handpiece. The handpiece is made of a very pleasant-to-touch material similar to the D7 model, but with a change in color from black to green. The rubberized surface with grooves helps with a secure grip. The handpiece is comfortably lightweight. Let's see how it performs during operation. We start the micromotor. As the speed increases, there are no noticeable vibrations or disturbances. The operation is smooth, and the handpiece fits comfortably in the hand. To summarize, the Dynamic D5 micromotor is an efficient unit that offers very good technical parameters. 50,000 rotations per minute, 230 watts of power, and a high torque of 8.2 Newton centimeters. Its design, the control panel and handpiece certainly allow for hours of comfortable work. The foot controller, which also allows for knee control, is an additional advantage of the Dynamic D5. For more information, you can contact the distributor of the Dynamic brand, which is ROKO company.